done for the week, Husky? Did that for the week, Husky? What's going on? You made too much money last week in that first trade. You're done for the entire month. Nas and gold. You said Reza? I thought you were a wager. I woke up late, so I'm guessing that you woke up late. I guess that might be scary.
So Euro USD is testing my patience. Euro USD is testing every trader's patience who is trading Euro US dollar, especially with very tight stop loss, just like me. So it's like breathtaking experience, like my breath, I am stopping my breath, something like that. So because it's coming back to me just before 3 minutes, I was feeling, oh, it's going so up, so no problem. I put my SL up on all my buy positions. Now last 3 minutes, 3 candles coming down, price coming down last 3 minutes. I'm feeling, oh, I'm gasping my breath, I'm holding my breath, and it's like intense moments for me. But this video would be a good lesson for the future as well. At this moment I'm feeling very tight because all the stop loss is very tight. My emotion is also going directly into these trades, because when you have trades running, you become so ingrained, you become so into those trades. It feels like your whole life is inside these trade positions and the price movement in relation to your position entry price, in relation to your position stop loss price, in relation to the amount of risk held into this position. So look, for the positions I can see here, if all of them get stopped out, like all of them get a little bit loss, as I have already controlled my risk, I have positioned my stop loss, so I'll be losing a very small amount. And this is actually a demo account. It's not exactly zero. It has some influence in my life because this is the company called FTMO. It is a test or exam, you can say, and in that exam this is a phase 2 account. So if I pass this account, I will get a funding account of 100,000. But if I lose this small amount on these trades, that would be very, very small, and it will not affect anything in my life almost. But the feeling of the price moving in favor of me or against me is a very, very intense feeling, very, very intense experience. I'm already experiencing the feeling. I am experiencing the intense feeling, and it's a good thing that I am recording my own feelings so that I can see myself in the future. Also, it may be as educational for me and for others equally. So I'm still looking at the price when price goes up, because all of these positions are buy positions. Or when the price going up, I'm feeling good, I'm feeling liberated, I'm feeling elated, I'm feeling happy, I'm feeling euphoric. whenever price is coming down for 1 minute or 2 minutes, I'm feeling very bad, very constricted. My breath is stopping, sort of. Feeling very intense in my body as well. So that's why scalping is a very difficult proposition for most of the people, because as a human being, our brain captures this threat. Brain captures this as a threat. Any small or big movement against me, any price movement against my position, my brain, especially that part of the brain called amygdala, you know it, that is the limbic brain, that brain part thinks that this is a life threat, and it gives a signal to the body to release the intense fighting or stress hormones, so that every part of my body, including the pumping of heart, pumping the air from the lungs, flowing the bloods towards the active muscles, the muscles like hand arm muscle for fighting, the leg muscles for running. If it gives a signal to fight, it will send more, the system will send more blood in the hand muscles and arms. Whereas if the signal is like a fly, that means avoid the whole threat, as it measures the threat as non-fightable. The threat is so big that it thinks that I cannot fight it, so I fly away to avoid the whole threat. So then in that scenario, when its assessment is I cannot fight this monster, this threat, so it sends the blood flow to the leg muscles so that I can run. And this is the same system, the same system we all human beings are holding in our body. Actually, all the animals have the same system. The difference between human and others is only the brain system. I am saying this is the amygdala, which has the capacity to stop all other bigger part of the brain, which can think, analyze, read, learn, all those complex operation, very, very, very complex, like unlimited amount of analyzing capability. But this unlimited analyzing capability is absolutely stopped by this limbic brain. That limbic brain has the capacity to stop and close the whole circuitry so that I cannot think. Have you ever came across the type of phrase or the type of sentence like, oh, my brain was not working, or I'm not able to think? Somebody describing some incident or some moment of their life. It happens day to day. Did you ever have that feeling of, oh, at that point of time, in that situation, I could not think. My brain stopped. So that is the thing happens because of this amygdala, which, so I was saying the difference between human and others. Human has the bigger analyzing brain, unlimited thinking brain. Other animals do not have this. Some animals have a little bit advanced brain, but not close to the human being. Another interesting thing is in medical science, biological science, they also call this amygdala as a reptilian brain, because this part of brain is also there in the reptiles, and the reptiles mostly do not have any more than this limbic brain. So if you look at some reptile, you'll see they move very quickly with the feeling, with their like understanding of something, some threat is coming to them, or they need to go for hunting that, or they need to fly away from a threat or something. If you look at their movement, you'll understand how human being take this type of decision. Have you heard about the decision called, especially in the financial markets like stock market and forex or trading, any sort of trading market, knee-jerk reaction or hair trigger reaction? So hair trigger reaction is the reaction. It means when we go for a fighting mode, we want to fight it, like we want to revenge, fight it back. And knee-jerk reaction is like quickly our knees have a jerk. It's like a feeling of, oh, I have to fly away from here. I have to avoid this current threat situation. Like it's like some tiger or some sort of a lion has come to attack me. So this is the thing we all need to understand. And why I'm explaining this is I have explained the problem. Now I have to give the solution as well, otherwise it doesn't make any sense. I'm just saying the problem. Okay, it is important to understand the problem so that we can give a solution to the problem. The solution is immediately take very long breath like this. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds and slowly release the breathing. So especially take the breathing at the abdomen. It's a very deep breathing. When you breathe, take the air in your abdomen or lower part of the belly. This exercise actually stops the problem in the physiology by stopping amygdala's action and this action of the hormones, the blood flow, all these things I have explained. So just take long abdominal breath. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out slowly, just like blowing a small straw or pipe. In this way, if you do this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, this breathing, stopping for 3, 4 seconds and releasing the air slowly once, again breathing and abdominal breathing, holding 1, 2, 3, 4 and releasing slowly. The whole thing gives an opposite signal to the body that everything is fine, you are safe, and you can allow the thinking brain to think. You can allow all the energy, all the blood flow, all the resources to the thinking brain, blood flow, air, and whatever else is there. Okay, so this breathing actually takes away the blood from the fighting muscles, leg muscles, hand muscles, and give it back to the thinking brain with the amount of oxygen required. So, and as I said, it stops the bad action, you can say. It's not exactly bad action, I should say, but I must say that this action by the amygdala actually does not help during the trading situation when it feels uncertain, when it feels like some threat is coming because I put some money and that is under threat. Even I can tell you, some people, they are trading demo account where no real money is involved, still they feel this type of feeling. So it's like it's an universal feeling, and this happens to everyone. It's not you or it's not me, it's everyone. And this technique would help all of you, even me. I do this technique. I have gone to a number of different training psychologists as well to understand this thing, to learn this thing. And I also read a number of books on this. So this is actually not a new technique. This is a very old technique. The same technique is actually used for thousands of years by the yogis, especially in the eastern part of the world, like China, India, and Asia. So the yogis and those people, they used to do this slow abdominal breathing to control their feeling, control their body's physiology, so that they can control the thinking. They can make a safe environment for them so that they can think. Actually, that's the core part of the whole thing I'm saying. So I just shout out to Randy Howell, who is a trading coach, who is a trading psychologist. He actually explained, and he has also written in his PDFs, like the lessons, that there was a test, like the yogis of the East, from India, China, those type of places. It was not believed by the Western society. So, but some doctor, he thought, okay, why not I do a sort of test in the laboratory, that whether they really do this type of mind control of themselves and adjust in different situations, including, like the yogis, they claim that they can change their physiology in extreme weather conditions as well, which is physically everyone can understand, everyone can see and feel and measure. So he brought a number of yogis in a laboratory, and he found that they just control the breathing. They just control the breathing, nothing else. And that's how they control their physiology to overcome the situation. They calm their body, and the body gives a signal to the brain and all parts of the body, that this moment is safe, and it gives enormous opportunity to the bigger brain to adjust, accommodate whatever situation was prevailing at that point of time. So this is scientific. This is not just saying something hocus pocus. Alrighty, so what I would do, I would show that I would change the take profit point for this one trade. So if you can see, I had 4 trades before. 2 trades closed in profit. These two euro US dollar, they are closed in profit, and other 2 are still there. I need to profit $5,000, as you can see here. The equity looks like around 4,000 now. So if I can make the equity $105,000, then I'll pass this account, and I'll receive a fund of $100,000 to trade. Um, so yeah, I had been facing psychological ups and downs during trading this account, not only today but also I'm trading this phase 2 account from FTMO for last several weeks, more than a month, and I had been I should say this is very important, like, because it's very difficult even for me. I did not understand for several years. The thing I'm saying will save you number of years from your life. So I did not understand there is a thing called self-sabotage. So I have done a number of self-sabotaging actions during even this trading, and I have done a number of times before with all other accounts. I have blown up and those type of things. I have done a number of stupid things, but I never understood why I was blowing up years after year, month after month, day after day. I did a lot of researches. I went through a number of psychological books, psychological trainings, psychological free stuff in the YouTube and internet. I learned a lot of things, and also I went, as I said, to a number of trading psychology people, and then I found these these are scientific discoveries, but as I did not read it before, I did not understand it, and I did not know. And what I did not know simply. So is as simple as it is. So um, my job is to make this work for me. That's why I studied the psychology, and that's what I'm telling you. I can tell you this much: this video will make you so much profitable and save you years. I tell you, it will save you years after years after years. So please don't ignore this, because this is not just hocus pocus. Believe me, even if you go to the internet, you will find this easily, like in different forums, also in YouTube, in internet. You can download PDFs regarding these things, and you'll see that this is, as I said, this is not just some hocus pocus. Alrighty, this is not just some hocus pocus. So the price is retracing. You can see on the 1 minute chart, my equity went close to like 4,000. Yeah, it is above 4,000, above the initial balance. So I was hoping that I can go to 5,000 with this in the current running momentum on the upside, but the last few candles, 1 minute candles, are showing the opposite momentum. But I am patient with this. I was thinking, like, should I put some cells to capture the opposite direction as well, which most of the time does not work. Like, if I put some cell, I have 2 10 lots buy. If I put like 1 10 lot cell and capture some opposite movement, actually those type of things do not work. I have tried many times. At this moment I'm feeling tempted to do that. I'm just saying, so that I'm just saying you what happens in our mind, because the logic comes like this: if I take 10 lot cell from here and price goes a little bit down, I take that 10 lot sell profit, and also then I get the buy 2 lot buy profit in the later part. But the moment I'll put the 10 lot sell, the price may not go down anymore. In that case, what happens is it's not possible to, like, it restricts the amount of profit I get. So that type of opposite trading never helped. Yeah. So I tell myself I'll not do it, and I tell you as well, do not do that. Alrighty, I am continuing with this video to show a live activity in the market, live action, live trading in the market, so that this gives a very related experience to all of you, because you can see the live market movement, you can see the trades, you can see the price moves up, sometimes a little bit down, some minutes up, some minutes down, some minute candles. In the chart you can see the above chart is the 1 minute chart, lower chart is 15-minute chart. You can see the below the latest 15-minute candles were up type of thing, but the 1 minute chart shows the in between down moves as well. So if you look at the 1 minute chart, which is the above chart, the last 5, 6, 7 minutes the price did not go up, rather price stalled like 5 minutes ago for 3-4 minutes, and then price started coming down. There is one very large candle at the beginning of this down move, but then again at this moment price 1 minute chart shows last 3 minutes price could not go neither up nor down last 3 minutes. So there is a chance after this stalling, after this pause, price may start going up again. So I'll be very patient. I'll be waiting for the price to go up. I think if price goes like 90,901, then I may pass my account, just to show you how things can move and change. So what I do, I'll take profit on 1.0910, so that when price go there, the take profit is hit, and with my rough calculation, when price goes to 1.091, I'm supposed to pass the account. So I would be waiting eagerly to see how these things work out. I'm showing other positions as well on gold. Yesterday I had like opposite positions. As I said, I tried it many times, and also yesterday it does not really help at the end. Today I put this gold order, I put like 1 lot buy order at some point of time, and then when gold started going up, I reduced the position from 1 lot to now 0.45 lot, and also I put this US oil 1 lot trade today, and these GBP USD trades are actually placed by some bot I have bought. This bot places GBP USD trades automatically, and it when price goes against it adds the positions. So and these GBP JPY trades I actually put before. These are so small positions that I did not put any stop loss for them. I can put any stop loss, it doesn't matter. Like I can put like 89.3, so that the price, I don't expect price to go up to that level. That's why I'm putting this. So I'm showing all ins and out. It's not that I don't put stop loss. I always put stop loss. These were very small. It was like I was testing the market with those. That's why. But the bigger positions, all of them have stop loss. Okay. So let's go to the Euro USD chart again. See the 1 minute after the first stall, it came down again, which is against me. Down means against me because I am in buy positions, I am long positions. So currently price is again stalling in 1 minute, on 1 minute chart here around 1.0900. So generally I've seen many times price comes down to like 1.0885, like last three digits, it comes like 850. So one thing is coming in my head, like should I increase my stop loss, like so that when price, if price comes to 850, I should not be stopped out, because I believe there are still much more move on the upside is still ahead. Like if even the price comes to 850, like 1.08850, still I believe in later the price will go up. So this type of small modification sometimes I do, but still I'm thinking, should I do it or not? Okay, so let's see the equity. At this moment the equity is showing 103,000 plus. If the price goes up, if the price, this upturn continues on the 1 minute chart, and if we cross like say for example, if we cross 1.091, that is the point. I think I'll pass the whole phase 2 account. Yep, I am patiently waiting. So this type of patience is very much required, especially this type of scalping trade. This was a scalping trade. Although I like the swing trading, sometimes I do this scalping trading to make to get some results faster. But it's not easy for me because it's 3 a.m. in the morning and I've been awake from the whole night almost. Nowadays I'm doing this, I'm examining this type of trading the whole night because I'm in Australia. US dollar moves at night. Some American indices, stock indices like Nasdaq, S&P 500, US 30, they also move at night. So I last like more than 1 month I had been awake whole night to see how this works for me. Okay, so still, but I also know that remain awake the whole night is not the best idea. So I have tested for myself, and now I know that for health and for general life, like I don't want to do that whole life. Like whole life I am awake the whole nights. that doesn't make sense to me. It may work for someone, for temporary, very short period of time, 1 month, 2 months. I may allow that, but for longer period of time and for lifetime, oh, never. I cannot even think that I'm doing this, remaining awake the whole night for whole of my life. No, I'm not going to do that. So at this moment I'm just testing, just like these two trades. I'm testing this night. We're waking up at night and doing this trading for some time so that I can pass these accounts very quickly, quicker than the swing trades. But I must also say clearly that actually this I don't think in my experience, I don't think that this scalping is giving a quicker result. It's not. It felt like that it will give quicker result, but my experience says it is not giving quicker result, because at the end of the day I have the similar type of probability is playing out. Some trades are positive, some days I'm in positive, some days I'm not in positive. So ultimately what is happening, if I put a swing trade, I would have taken like similar amount of days, similar, like maybe 1 week or 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks normally. So I may stop scalping in the future. In the near future I may go for that swing trading, which I have a strategy where I spend like just 30 minutes a day. I have the intention to teach other people as well the 30 minutes a day trading. So it would be swing trading, analyzing the daily chart only, and sitting in front of the chart for only 30 seconds, 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes actually, not 3 hours at night. And then again, every scalp trade when I put, it feels like I am glued to the chart to babysit the trades, like, because the type of this scalping trading is like quick move. So it is like, if I'm not in front of the chart, I can't really manage these trades as well. So it although it's a quick trading, but to find out the correct moment to take the position and manage the position. To take the position, the setup may come after 1 hour of sitting, 1.5 hour of sitting, 3 hours of sitting, and then the managing part also, like moving the stop loss, moving the partial, closing the partial trade, partial positions, all those management. As I said, when you in my system, there are many scalping system where when price goes in favor, like 1 to 1 or 1 to 2 reward, then the system says put your stop loss at the break even and close 25% of the position or 50% of the position. Then all this work, I need to be glued to the screen and I have to be in front of the chart every minute, every 5 minutes. Like I have to look at it. I cannot move from there. Whereas the daily chart, the swing trading system I have, I am in front of the chart for 30 minutes. I look at almost all type of instrument, currencies, commodities, like precious metals. Even sometimes if like FTMO allows trading agricultural items, commodities like soybean, corn, wheat, oil, all those things. So not all firms allow this thing, but anyway, I trade all commodities, all currencies, all indices. So when I examine the daily chart, that 30 minutes is enough for me to see all the charts, and there is actually nothing to see next 24 hours because the whole candle will close after 24 hours, and I have actually nothing to do about doing active trading in front of the chart. So my whole day is free. So I'm transitioning to that slowly. I have examined how this scalping works for me. I have examined how this day trading works for me. I have examined before swing trading, but then I was lured to, I was attracted to this day trading and scalping in the hope of like getting quick profits and quick money. After examining, is my personal view, is not for everyone. My personal view is to enjoy the life. For me, swing trading works much better. In that sense, I don't have to be in front of the chart. The trading action is done within 30 minutes, so I'm good. I don't have to, agonize in front of the chart for hours. A scalping trade may be there for few minutes or maybe 30 minutes or 40 minutes, but the whole operation, as I explained, it actually takes hours after hours. Otherwise, it's not that the moment I sit in front of the chart, I get a setup and I start trading and I put a trade. That setup comes after, as I said, 1 hour, 2 hours, sometimes 3 hours. And it doesn't like help the lifestyle. And sometimes I have seen it happens to me, especially when I put a trade like scalping or day trading type of trade, then it keeps me busy in a sense. I am so anxious about that trade, that position, that I check it every time, every now and then. Like the 3, 4 or 5 hours of day trading time, I'm supposed to be in front of the chart, but then once the position, I have taken the position, I have a sort of, as I said, inner impulse, inner urge to check the price, to check what that trade is doing, what that position is doing. Because short-term movement makes a big difference in those scalping trades. Anyway, in short, swing trading is better for life. So for me, it is very interesting. Like some people say they can only do scalping. Some people say they can only do swing trading. Some people say they can only do day trading. Interestingly, I have seen I can do all of this. So I have the luxury to choose between this trading. So, but I can tell you, most of you, if you try it, maybe you will find that it's possible for you as well. You may be lured to this day trading or scalping by seeing somebody else. But in true sense, if you start doing this trading, you'll see that, oh, you can do it too. Yeah. And that in that point of time, you will be able to see the benefit of swing trading, like you're in front of the chart for 30 minutes, but you are free the whole time actually, and you can do whatever you like the rest of the day, the rest of the 23.5 hours. You can do anything. So you don't have to be glued to the chart, and you're free. The freedom for which we started trading is that life we want. It's not that we wanted to be the slave of the chart. I am to be free from other part of my life, but I am to be slave to my chart. I want to be slave to my. I don't think that is the intention or objective of any of us. Rather, I would rather think our aim is to get a good life, get a free time, do whatever we like being in front of the chart, to remain compelled to trade is, I would not think that I want. I don't want to be compelled to be in front of the chart. Rather, I want to be free in my life, free in my day, and to enjoy all other parts of life. And I can free myself by trading 30 minutes a day and give myself all other time. So I hope it makes sense for you. Yep. Alrighty, I'll pause this video and I'll come back. I'll unpause the video when the price goes a little bit in my direction, because price is stalling for quite some time, and I can close the video at that time. So guys, again, I had been waiting for the price to move back up again. So I have put some arrow marks on my 1 minute chart, which is the chart above. You can see this, we call it 1 2 3 move. So the 1 2 3 move is the correction move. What I mean by that is, the first move, left of all the arrows, you see there was an up move. So this is the main move, we say the up move. Then this 1 2 3 is the corrective move for around 30 minutes, I believe. So this corrective move, I believe the corrective move is finished, because larger up candles are showing. So also it looks like this price level held the price itself there. Also in 1 hour chart, 15 minute chart, it looks like there was a inside candle, inside border, inside candle. This price action is actually very bullish, because once the inside bearish candle is engulfed by another candle up, that means it has crossed all the down move, it has defeated all the sellers and is going up. So let's see if our logic happens. I don't expect this double top to stall the price from here to down. I expect this buyers can go up and continue. Let's see what is the price doing. I am close to the profit target here, 4.6. So I have put the take profit around 1.091 when price goes there. What I can do is I can close one of the two big lots, big position, because the two positions is actually part of one trade idea, and if I close one of them, that is like taking partials from them. As you can see, double top was able to stall a little bit, but I believe this double top would be defeated by the bias. That's the thing, defeated by the bias, because the 1 minute chart, the recent up candles look larger, but I have to see the down candles as well. So normally what happens is the price has approached round number like 1.0900. It has crossed the 1.0900. So I'm talking about this price here, 1.0900. So 1.0900, when price came here, normally price tend to retrace back when they cross round number like this. So I'd be interested to see if this double bottom here and here, these two here and here, these two can hold and price bounces from this price. Yep, maybe the price is bouncing. So there are a number of confluences here for the price to bounce. Yep. Let's see what our equity says at this moment of time. The equity says that the price is around, the equity is around 103,700. Like the profit is like 3,700 near. We'll have to see if price goes up. Price of Euro USD goes up. My major position is on this Euro USD long position. So if the price goes up to, as I said, 1.091, my profit target would be reached, and definitely I can close all the positions. So many times I have seen this happens, like once you come close to your profit target, the price does some sort of dancing, but that's not the case all the time. That happens some of the times, not all the times. So, and price can test your patience at that point of time. Let us see if price bounces from this price action here. Price so far has reversed a little bit from the double top. So price was going up. Price has made a 1 minute chart double top. Even it can be seen on 5 minute chart. You can see the spike like wicks on the top. even 1 hour chart shows like tweezer top sort of thing, but still it doesn't mean that this double top is not temporary. Like this double top could be a temporary halt, and the buyers can defeat all the sellers here, because there may be a lot of sellers at the round number 1.09000. Around this place normally there are a lot of sellers, they were waiting to sell, so the buyers need more action to do that. Yep, we can see at this moment buyers are winning. We need the buyers to win more. Okay, so for my trades to go up, so also I'm still thinking of the alternative, like closing half of my USD trades. So out of these 10 lots, if I close one of them, that means the half of my trade idea is closed. I can manage the rest half. So still, if I have to close the half or even less than half, I want the price to go a little bit more, then I can do this taking off. So let me put the take profit at 120, 1.09, 120, so that in case if I take out partial profits, the take profit target can give me the profit target for FTMO. Okay, so bears and bulls are fighting is happening intensely. I can see, as you can see, up down and sideways, like lots of buyers, lots of sellers. Price goes a little bit up, all the sellers are pressing it down. Right, price goes a little bit down, all the buyers are pressing it up. Like people say, it takes a lot of money to move the price. Even people say like it takes billions of dollars to move, like for euro US dollar, which is like 3-4 trillion dollar move per day, and much of it happens during this time, where this time is like almost both New York and London both are open. London time is like 4:39 p.m. So lots of money is moving at this point of time, moving euro USD for like some points it takes billions of dollars. So the fight is intense there, I can see. But what we are doing, we are expecting buyer party, the party who are buying, to make me winner. I am expecting. I've taken the long position. When I took the long position, my statement, what I said actually, I meant I'm taking this long position. I expect some buyers would come and make me winner. Right? The buyers will take their price up. I don't know who are the buyers. They are all around the world. The big banks, the institutions, the hedge fund. There may be some big traders somewhere. I don't think individual traders can move, but the transactions are happening in some banks, in some hedge fund, and all of the. They're trading for some reason. So those buyers, they are taking the price up, and the sellers, they are pressing the price down. So as I said, this type of thing happens at around like this type of thing happen mostly at the round figure price. Like as I said, again I'm saying and mentioning that 1.09000 once price goes from down to up, there is a huge amount of seller. They had been waiting there, and there are a huge amount of sell orders. They were there already. And at the same time, when price comes from up to down and crosses round figure from up to down, then they actually face, the sellers face a large number of buy orders just below the round number. And when the price is going up, when the price cross the round figure from down to up, they face a large number of sell orders along the way. And that's the same thing is happening here. So it looks like there was a huge amount of fighting going on at that point of time, and sellers lost. As you can see, there was at this point of time, there was huge amount of fight happened at that point of time. So as you can see, the price was not moving in any direction up to this, but now price is moving. That means the sellers are defeated, the buyers are not defeated. The buyers defeated the sellers at that point of time. So let's see how far buyers can continue fighting and winning. So I believe that small resistance will become support now, and buyers would be able to push the price above. What I can do is I can put the take profit for one of the position at 1.09086, which will be the third top after the double top, the two tops. It will be a third top if price goes there for the third time. 1.09086. I can put stop loss, take profit for one of them. Which one was this one? Okay, 09089. Yeah, that will be the third top. Let's see what happens. So as you can see, the top position, I have written the comment, re-entry after stopped out several times. So I was stopped out several times on a large amount of positions, buy positions, number of 10 lots I put before. Then I stopped out. I lost like more than 2k there, but then I re-entered the same direction because I was thinking the price is really going this direction, so why not take the position again. That's what was in my head. So I put the take profit for the second position was the first position, I believe. I'm not sure, but whatever, it doesn't matter. The second position is the position which has less profit in it. So I have put take profit is for that is 1.09098, so that when price goes above this third top is already made here. As you can see, this is the third top, this is the first top, second top, and third top. So after it crosses the third top, I am expecting price may do a large retracement. So That's why I'm putting the take profit at that point of time, at that price, so that when price goes there, I believe that will be equal to mine. So price is going there and coming back, you see. Intense fighting is happening again at that price. Price just crossed a little bit that double top. Lots of sellers there. Large amount of sell orders were already put there. So all the buy is pushing there. All the buy is pushing there. So we will be interested to see how buyers take this price above. So I can see to make this easier, what I do is I'll put one take profit at 1.09130, and maybe I will put another take profit, the second take profit is actually at 1.09102. The price is approaching there, and my profit target is also almost there. So what I do is I would be closing as a bulk operation. I will be closing all the positions when I reach the profit target. So when the second position reaches the profit target, take profit point, I think I'll be at the overall take profit target for FTMO. So at that point of time, I'll be closing all positions all at a time. So on my laptop, I have opened close all positions like bulk operation. I have right click on the tool and I have opened the close all positions button, and once I'll click that, then all the positions will be closed. Price is doing up and down at that point. At this point of time, price is going up, going down. So yep, at this point of time, I believe it is a good idea to take out one of these positions at a good profit. Price is actually approaching that price. Okay, there's a little push, and with just a little bit push, my second position will be closed. So I'm patiently waiting. I cannot do anything. I'm in the mercy. I'm at the mercy of these buyers somewhere else in the world. I have nothing to do. I can only expect them to reach just a few points above. I can expect the buyers to reach a little bit above. So yeah, let's see what happens. Yep, I have closed all the positions. Yeah, okay, I have to stop the algo and I have to close. I'm closing all this from my laptop as well. Close all positions. Yeah, I have stopped my algo so that it doesn't take any positions. So I have closed all the orders as well, and let me show you. So as you can see, I have reached the target of 1.05, like 1.05k, you can say. Like there is a phase 2 FTMO phase 2 account. So the target was 5,000 profit. So the initial balance was 100,000. If you go to the history, you'll be able to see, I believe. Yeah, I have to go to last 3 months, and initial balance you can see 100,000. So I made a profit of 5,000. As you can see, I have actually profited 7,000, more than 7.5 thousand, around 7.5 thousand, but I have paid swap and commission, more than 1,000 swap and more than 1,000 commission. Oh my god, almost 1.3k in commission. Anyway, so I reached the target. We can go to the FTMO website to see whether their metrics shows that I passed. I am going to log in to show you. I'll have to go to this client area. I'm sorry, I'm not finding the client area. Where is it? Where is it? Let me see the client area. Okay, I'll have to go to the client area by clicking the button. Okay, I can see. Okay, alrighty. Client area. I have a number of good results and bad results. So this is the one I have passed. So let me see if they say I have passed. Yep, they say this is active. Today's profit is 6,500. Yeah, it says passed, and probably I have received. Currently, the trading objectives are completed. Congratulations. We will verify your account and will contact you as soon as possible. So that's there. Thank you for watching, and I believe all of these helped you in identifying the real operation of trading, and the psychological thing I have explained live with the running price and running positions. That is, I can say that is a gem almost nobody has put out in the internet, and that's the only thing you'll need. Thank you.